We just finished discovering and importing the definition, the whistle for the verified credit service, and now it's in the TSPM console. What we need to do now is to create a policy, and later we will configure the policy to basically specify that members of a role that belongs to a group can actually access the service. So we go into the TSPM console, and we see here that the service we define has no policy attached. So we're going to add a policy, configure the policy, and then distribute the policy. It's going to reside on the DataPower box. So what we do is that we click here on policy. We're going to add a new policy. Is of the type message. It's not message protection, rather it's an authorization. We're going to create a new policy rather than importing it from a file. So we're going to call it policy student 01. We're not going to put any description in there. We need to specify what service that policy is going to be attached, and this is the service that we just imported. This is the URI, and we're going to create a new role. We're going to call it permit student 01. We're going to create that policy. So that policy is created. It's the access is permit access. We can actually specify deny access, so we can make more complex rule by adding a rule here with if-then conditions. Very powerful. And that's it. So what we need to do now is save the policy. So we click in save here, and then when the system returns, we're going to be seeing that we have a policy that has been created, has not been configured yet.